So, you love making videos but don't find the time to edit them? Well, the short movie show mode of the Nikon Coolpix P500 may come to your rescue.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about the short movie show mode of the Nikon Coolpix P500. Using that, you can film a 30-second video in camera in 25 or 30 fps. That's it, no editing required at all. Let me show you how. I'm gonna switch to the short movie show mode of my camera. It's right next to the auto mode. Now let's dive into the menu. First option is the number of shots I wanna film. I can shoot 15 clips of 2 seconds each, 10 clips of 3 seconds each, or 6 clips of 5 seconds each. Now you can choose whichever option you want based on your shots or the location. I'm gonna go with the third one for the sake of this tutorial. And now the next option is special effects. If you wanna add some filter while you shoot, so you can use it. I like to shoot the environment as it is, so I'm not gonna bother with this. Next is background music. If you wanna add a default background music to your movie, then you can select any one of them to play and listen to any one of them. You can use the zoom button and you can listen to them, check them out, select whichever track you like best. I'm gonna go with the first one, and that's it. Now if you want to make your movie, don't just randomly shoot some scenes and then combine them in your camera. It's great if you can plan your shots in advance. For example, if I want to make a movie about nature, so I can say that my first clip of 5 seconds will be the trees, then the next 5 seconds will be the flowers, the next 5 the sky. It's great if I have all these shots written, or at least in my mind, what I'm going to shoot. It makes my life pretty easy. And here I've written all my shots, and let's start filming them now. This counter here shows me the number of clips that I have recorded. Now all I have to do is start recording. The first clip is trees, so I go to my trees and hit the record button. After 5 seconds, the camera will automatically stop recording. Second, flowers, I go to the flowers and hit record. In the same way, I'm going to record my remaining 4 clips, and the camera will automatically combine them into one single video. To view that, I go to the preview and whoa, check it out. So guys, this technique is damn useful if you want to make some quick content for Instagram or TikTok. No editing is required at all. You can straight away take your clip from your camera and post it online. And do try that technique, and if you do, please tag me on your videos on Instagram at Agarwal Sonika and on TikTok at Agarwal Sonika 7. I'll be very happy to have a look at your videos, guys. And if you guys found my video to be helpful, give me a huge thumbs up and leave a comment down below about which Nikon Coolpix P500 tutorials you wanna watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I'm on YouTube. Here is my previous Nikon D500 tutorial, and here is a playlist that plays all my content related to this camera. Please go check them out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.